If you can see him, he is on right below the beard. There is a branch. I'm going to try to walk closer. On that palm tree. He's on the right hand side. Now he's kind of walking up the branch. Walking, walking, walking up. There goes one of them. And they're kind of fussing. Can you hear them? Clearly these are not crows. These are, there goes, oh, that's just a regular bird. All right, one is up on the beard. He's got a red head. Can you see him? Hi, guys. Now he's turning around. He's looking at me. Okay. Must go to Granny's. Don't want people to think I'm cuckoo. Cuckoo. Can you see us? There he goes. There he goes. There goes another one. There they go.